Hi friends, welcome back. So this is our Airbnb for tonight. We are in Te Kuiti. This is kind of a farmhouse, and we have chosen our Airbnb inside this farmhouse. You can see the outside of the Airbnb. All the lights are lit, and I'm gonna show you the view on the other side, and then we'll go for a tour, inside tour. This is so far one of the best Airbnbs we have stayed, based on the views, and also the interiors, I should say. You can see the breathtaking view from Airbnb. The weather is good today, and it's almost like 9 p.m. in the evening, so it's not that sunny, but you can have a look at the sky and the landscape. This is just breathtaking. We'll get up early in the morning, and we'll capture more videos. You can see there is outdoor sitting space on the deck as well, and a couple of chairs to enjoy coffee and enjoy the view. Let's go inside now. Kids are very happy. They have got a little puppy. The Airbnb host has left a puppy for them, and also a couple of chocolates with a nice note. You can see this is the dining table, and this is the kitchen area. There's a couch here, and this is one of the bedrooms. I really like the color combination. You can see the blue, white, and if you look outside, you see the view. Isn't it beautiful? You wake up in the morning and you wake up with this view. Isn't it $1 million experience? For me, yes. Let's go to the other bedroom. This is beautiful as well for kids' bedroom. This view as well, but not like the other one. Really like this Airbnb. Really like this. Stay tuned with us. We'll be adding more videos. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Good morning, guys. One thing we forgot to mention yesterday, we had a fresh cow milk in this jar. You can see it was like almost 1 liter of milk, and you can see after heating the milk, you see the cream on top of it. So it's pure milk, pure cow milk.